Hey guys, happy Valentine's Day! I am gonna be trying out the new The Forever set by Kylie Cosmetics. So this is one of the lip sets Kylie Cosmetics released for Valentine's Day. Let you guys know my first impressions on the lipsticks. So this is the only one that I purchased. She did release 3 different sets. The Soulmate set, the Forever set, and the Love set. So this is the more nude one out of the 3 sets. So the lip set comes with a lip liner, a lip gloss, and a liquid lipstick. The whole set cost $42. I didn't pay for shipping because for the US they do provide free shipping over $40. I was able to just order 1 set and get free shipping. So I thought that was cool. The packaging is so freaking adorable. Kylie's packaging, it just keeps getting better and better. I feel like she did put a lot of thought into this launch. It was super cute. So first of all, the packaging is super cute. The letters right here are glittery. It does feel like it has glitter on top. On the back it says to and from. So I thought that was really cute too. It has like this whole print all around with the kisses, and they're foiled, and I just love the pack. I honestly just feel like I want to keep them in this box because it's so freaking cute. So I'm first gonna try on the lip liner. So this lip liner is in the shade Forever and Always. So online it says that this is a warm yellow nude. Okay, so I zoomed you guys in. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply the lip liner first. I have nothing on my lips right now. And I can already tell that I really like this lip liner. These are the kind of lip liners that I like to use like for every day and then just pop on a nude lipstick. What I do wish though is that the very tip of the end of the lip liner was the shade of the lip liner, because that's usually what she does with her other lip liners. So it's easy to tell which lip liner I'm picking. If you bought more than one of the sets, then you are gonna get confused which lip liner you're using. So I kind of do wish that she put the same shade of the lip liner on the end of the lip liner. I'm actually not sure if she did that with the other 2. So the next thing I'm gonna try on is the liquid lipstick, and the packaging is super cute with the pale pink packaging and like a frosted bottle. So this is in the shade Built to Last, and online it says that Built to Last is a peachy pink nude. So I'm going to swatch it here on the back of my hand for you guys first so you guys can see the shade swatched. And this is a matte liquid lipstick. So if you don't like her matte liquid lipsticks, or you don't want a matte liquid lipstick, then I would stay away from it. But I like her matte liquid lipsticks, the new formula that she has. I feel like it's thinner, lighter, more comfortable. But if you don't like matte liquid lipsticks, then I would stay away from it. But that is the shade, and it's a very pretty shade. It actually reminds me a lot of Candy K, which Candy K is like my all-time favorite from all of her lipsticks. Alright, let's try this on. And of course it smells like all her other liquid lipsticks, like kind of like cotton candy or like vanilla. It smells really good. But this shade is gorgeous. This is such a pretty shade. It kind of pulls a little cool tone. It's not warm tone. I feel like Candy K is a little bit more warm tone than this color. I feel like I would wear this nude lipstick a lot. Very versatile. I can wear a bunch of different looks with this nude lipstick. You just can't go wrong, and I love the shade. And of course her matte liquid lipsticks are transfer proof. Alright, so let's try on the lip gloss now. So I'm going to try on the lip gloss on top of the liquid lipstick. You can definitely wear the lip gloss by itself, but for this video I'm going to just put it on top of the liquid lipstick, but I am going to swatch it. I can't put a scent to it, but it smells good, kind of like vanilla. This is a peachy gold with lilac and pink shimmer. Yeah, so it does look a bit gold in the tube, but I feel like if I swatch it, it's not gonna look that gold. Oh yeah, so you can definitely see the shift. I can definitely tell that there is a pink shift. So pretty. Another thing is that when you do apply it over a matte liquid lipstick or any other lipstick, the wand does get dirty from the lipstick. Alright, so my lips don't feel dry anymore, and this is the finished look. I feel like it looks really pretty. And I can hardly see the shimmer in the lip gloss unless maybe I'm like in different lighting, which is really good because then it just shears out and then you can see the color of the matte liquid lipstick and the lip liner, which I really like, and then it just makes your lips look very glossy and juicy. I definitely recommend this set. I love that she came out with these sets that comes with a lip liner, liquid lipstick, and a lip gloss. She has never done that before. It sucks that it is sold out right now, but hopefully she does restock. I think it's just perfect for Valentine's Day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about the Forever set. I hope you guys enjoyed your Valentine's Day, and if you guys feel like you don't have a Valentine, I am your Valentine. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you like this video, and hit the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Bye!